Good evening, everyone. Today, our group is excited to share insights on a crucial aspect of professional communication, creating effective memorandums. Let's dive into the art of crafting a memorandum that leaves a lasting impact.
Before getting into details, let's point out what a memorandum is. A memo, also referred to as a memorandum, is a type of brief written communication that is used in professional and business settings. Information is communicated within an organization using this concise document. A memo or memorandum is a written document that business use to communicate an announcement or notification. While memos were once the primary form of written internal communication in a business, they are now commonly sent in the form of an email.
Why do we use memorandums? Well, they serve a multiple purposes. Memorandums are used for internal communication, conveying important updates, instructions, or announcement within a company or department. They help maintain a clear and organized information flow.
Now, let's break down the New York Memorandum. Immediately, it contains of more main component, the heading, the opening, the body, and the noting. Burn, heading. Heading to the date to whom the memo is addressed, from whom, and the subject. Headline, opening. Opening briefly introduces the purpose of the memo. Third, body. Body contains the main content or the 19-word monoparagraph. Paragraph. Fourth, noting. Noting summarizes the main point and eliminate any necessary follow-up action.
Creating an effective memorandum involves more than just following a structure. Let's discuss some key writing tips. First, clarity. Use clear and concise language. Avoid jargon and unnecessary details. Second, relevance. Ensure that the content is relevant to the intended audience. Third, tone. Maintain a professional tone throughout the memo. Fourth, grammar and punctuation. Proofread for grammar and punctuation errors to enhance credibility.
Let's talk a couple examples to better understand how to apply the principles we discussed. We'll analyze a well-constructed memorandum and identify the key points. For example, a minute a meeting minutes are a formal record of discussion, decisions, and action that take place during a meeting. The minutes serve as the historical document that captures the key points discussed and outcomes of those discussions of any follow-up actions agreed upon. Typically, a meeting minutes, a memo includes the following components: header, times and date of the meeting locations, name of attendees, objective of the purpose, a brief statement outlining the purpose of the meeting, agenda review, listing the topics or agenda items discussed during the meeting, discussion summary, a concise summary of the main points discussed for each agenda item, any relevant comments or opinions expressed by the participants, decisions made, clearly outlining any decision reached during the meeting, noting who made the decision and any relevant details, action items, listing specific tasks or action assigned to individuals as a result of the meeting, including deadlines and responsible parties for each action item, follow-up, mentioning any planned follow-up actions or next steps, adjournment, documenting the time and the meeting was adjourned, signature and approval. If applicable, a section for minutes to be reviewed, approved, and signed by the meeting chair or another designated authority. The meeting minutes memo plays a crucial role in keeping all stakeholders informed, providing a reference point for future decisions, and ensuring accountability for actions items. It's a valuable tool for maintaining organizational transparency and efficiency.
In conclusion, mastering the art of creating a memorandum is a valuable skill for effective workplace communication. By following a clear structure and incorporating writing best practices, you can ensure that your memos are impactful and serve their intended purpose.
Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts and address any questions you may have. Feel free to ask, and let's make this a collaborative learning experience.